In the early 19th century, Germany was a fragmented collection of kingdoms, duchies, and principalities, each with its own ruler, policies, and aspirations. The lack of unity meant that these German states often found themselves vulnerable to foreign interference and internal strife. The seeds of unification were sown in response to the Napoleonic Wars, which devastated much of Europe, including the German territories. The Confederation of the Rhine, a group of German states allied with Napoleon, and later, the German Confederation established at the Congress of Vienna in 1815, were among the earliest attempts to create a semblance of unity. However, these confederations lacked true integration and mainly served to protect the interests of individual rulers. The spirit of nationalism began to grow, fueled by a shared language, culture, and history. Intellectuals, students, and the burgeoning middle class started to push for a unified nation-state. By mid-century, the economic growth and industrialization of the German states, especially Prussia, made the idea of a unified Germany more viable. Prussia emerged as the leader in the movement for unification under the stewardship of Otto von Bismarck, its shrewd and determined chancellor. Bismarck employed a policy known as Realpolitik, a system of politics based on practical and material factors rather than ethical objectives. This approach enabled him to maneuver through the complex landscape of European diplomacy and internal politics. He strategically engaged in wars that served to unite the German states. The Danish War in 1864, the Austro-Prussian War in 1866, and the Franco-Prussian War in 1870–71 were pivotal conflicts that redefined the political structure of the German territories. The decisive moment came on January 18, 1871, when King Wilhelm I of Prussia was proclaimed the German emperor in the Hall of Mirrors at the Palace of Versailles. The unification was marked by the establishment of the German Empire, a powerful federal state under Prussian dominance. This monumental event not only altered the political landscape of Europe, but also set the stage for Germany to become a major force in international affairs.